money making mindset. So somebody asked me how to use this oven. So this is how you use it. First, you have to plug it and switch it on from the socket, and it comes up. You can see that everything is at zero. Okay, this side is for heat control, like it's heat control. Then this side is the temperature. Like when I say heat control means like the functions, like each function you want. That is what that side does. Now this middle part is the timer. Okay, the middle one is the timer. Then you see the minus and the plus. The plus is to increase the time. The minus is to reduce the time. Now the first one I just pointed now is top heating element. So if you switch it now, I just set the temperature to 250. Then put the top heating, then set time for 10 minutes. But I would not later leave it for the other 10 minutes. Now, what this does, this top heating is mainly if you are doing grilling, you want to grill something, you want to do anything that you want the heat to come from the up. You can see it. You see how red hot it is. The reason it's too red hot like because I set it to 250. So if you set it below 250, it will still be hot, but you see it's not be too red hot. So that is for top heating. Now this one I pointed now is the fan heating. Fan. So this fan heating is also called convection. Okay, I just set the time now. I still left it at the 250. So you find out that for this fan on now, there is a fan inside this oven. Are you getting me? There's a fan inside this oven. You understand? You can see it now. This fan here, now you see that in that first time it was not rotating, but now it has started rotating. Now this particular one will help to circulate the heat very well, in the sense that even within seconds, depending on within few minutes, whatever that you put there will start. If you don't remember, it will even burn. You understand? So you have to regulate. Maybe you can. If you're using the fan, the temperature should not be too high for you to bake. Now the third one there is the cooling temperature, or maybe steam. Let me just put it like that. Is the steam or the cool temperature. You understand? The fan will be hot. The fan will be on, sorry, but the temperature will not be as high as the one for convection type, the one that has for the fan. You understand? So the fan will be on, but the temperature will be minimal. So if you want to bake but you don't want the thing to burn quickly, you can use that one. Now the last one I just put now is light, like is the light one. You understand? Is the light heating. In this one, the fan will not be on, but the temperature will be like minimal. The oven will be hot, but it will not be hot like the rest three. So you mostly use this function for maybe if want to warm your food, or warm something, or make something to be hot, but you don't want that thing to burn. You understand? You can stay a longer time without burning.